Today we're covering comparative and superlative adjective forms. We have them in English: good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, brave, braver, bravest. Some of them are irregular, like good, better, best. No idea why good is connected with better, but there it is. With the regular ones, you can definitely see the pattern: ER and EST. Likewise, take your average Latin adjective here, altus aum. This is a great one too, because altus can mean high or deep, and it can also mean tall. So, funny adjective. Here's the comparative, taller. Take a look at those endings. I want to point out that while the adjective itself is a 2-1-2 adjective, meaning that its feminine endings are first declension and its masculine and neuter are second declension. When it's taller, when it is in the comparative, it actually has third declension endings: isema, esum, ibus, es, ibus. So a little bit confusing there, something to watch out for. Let's say we had a noun, feminae, and let's say this is nominative plural feminine. And as we all know, the adjective must agree with the noun in case, number, and gender, although the endings may be different. So here, this is easy, tall women, but taller women, look at this. Now we've got different endings. We've got a first declension ending there and a third declension ending there, but it doesn't matter because this is plural, plural, feminine, feminine, and nominative, nominative. In fact, you can tell this could be dative singular, it could be genitive singular, you don't know. But then when you look at the adjective, the only match is nominative plural. I want to point out that this es ending could also be accusative plural. But when you look back at the noun, the only match, the only intersection is nominative plural feminine. Okay, take a moment. You want to pause the video here and just do a declension of this: miles, militis, militi, militem, militae, and match it with the correct case, number, and gender of the adjective here. That's what you should get. And in the plural, fill in these blanks now. Pause the video. That's what you should get. All right, let's move on to the superlative. Here's the rule here. You have to get your stem, fortis, forte. Stem is F-O-R-T. You add I-S-S-I-M right there. And then 2-1-2 endings. Very confusing. Comparative was third declension. Now suddenly we're back in 2-1-2. It's a mess. But that's what we're dealing with. So now, fortissimus. And this is fortissimus aum. All right, let's decline the bravest soldier. Pause the video and just fill in those blanks. And you should have this. The endings aren't the same, but they are agreeing in case, number, and gender. Let's try the plural. Pause the video. Okay, that's what you should have.